Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of diabetes-friendly foods. Maintaining a balanced diet is crucial for managing diabetes, and we are here to guide you through the top 12 choices. Let's get started. 1. Leafy greens. Starting strong with leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. They are packed with fiber and low in carbohydrates, helping stabilize blood sugar levels. 2. Berries. Next up, berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. They are rich in antioxidants and provide a sweet taste without causing significant blood sugar spikes. 3. Whole grains. Whole grains, such as oats, quinoa, and brown rice, are excellent choices. They contain fiber and complex carbohydrates, which release glucose slowly. 4. Fatty fish. Now, let's talk about fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. They are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. 5. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are perfect snacks. They provide healthy fats, fiber, and protein, all while helping manage blood sugar. 6. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein and probiotics. It's a great option for breakfast or a snack to help stabilize blood sugar levels. 7. Legumes. Legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are fiber powerhouses. They slow digestion and promote steady blood sugar. 8. Cinnamon. A sprinkle of cinnamon can enhance the flavor of your dishes while potentially improving insulin sensitivity. It's a simple and delicious addition to your diet. 9. Avocado. Avocado is a healthy fat superstar. It's rich in monounsaturated fats and fiber, making it an excellent choice for diabetes management. 10. Lean proteins. Lean proteins like skinless poultry, tofu, and lean cuts of beef or pork are essential for building and repairing tissues without affecting blood sugar levels. 11. Non-starchy vegetables. Non-starchy vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, and bell peppers are low in carbs and calories, making them ideal for diabetics. 12. Eggs. Finally, eggs are a protein-packed breakfast option. They help you feel full and satisfied without causing blood sugar spikes. That wraps up our top 12 diabetes-friendly foods. Remember, a balanced diet, portion control, and regular monitoring are essential for managing diabetes. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. And as always, consult your healthcare provider for personalized dietary advice. Stay healthy.